Hi Bloomers, welcome back to Vocabloom. Today we're learning how to ask questions in the past tense using did. If something already happened, we use did to ask about it. A did question is a yes or no question about the past. You'll hear questions like, did she go to school? Yes, she did. Did they eat lunch? No, they didn't. We use did with all subjects, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. But we always use the base verb, not the past tense verb. For example, did I eat cake is incorrect. Did I eat cake is correct. Did she went home is incorrect. Did she go home is correct. Did they play soccer is incorrect. Did they play soccer is correct. Here, ate, went, and played are past tense verbs. And eat, go, and play are base verbs. To ask a question, start with did, add the subject, then the base verb. For example, statement, she went home. Question, did she go home? Statement, I played a game. Question, did I play a game? Statement, they saw a movie. Question, did they see a movie? Use did plus subject plus base verb. Don't use past tense after did. Flip the sentence order. Works with all subjects. Let's practice. Listen and repeat each question. Statement, he watched TV. Question, did he watch TV? Statement, you danced yesterday. Question, did you dance yesterday? Statement, I cleaned the room. Question, did I clean the room? Great work, Bloomers. Now you can ask questions like, did you go? Or, did she eat? Try writing 3 of your own in the comments. Hit like and make sure to subscribe at Vocabloom Hub. Thanks for watching!